Hello, superstars! Welcome to Fun with Addition with Mr. Kiko. Today, we're going on a number journey where we will use some of your favorite objects to understand addition better. Are you ready? Let's start! First, imagine you're in the kitchen. You see two shiny red apples sitting on your table. Can you almost taste them? Just then, your friend comes over. They bring 3 more apples. Now, it's time to think. You started with 2 apples. Then, you added 3 more apples. So, how many apples do you have now? Let's count them. 1, 2. Those were the apples you had before. Now count 3, 4, 5. Those are the ones your friend brought. So, 2 apples plus 3 apples equals 5 apples. You're doing an amazing job. Next, let's move to your playroom. You see 4 adorable teddy bears. Suddenly, you remember it's your birthday. You unwrap your gifts and find 3 more teddy bears. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those were your old teddy bears. Now count 5, 6, 7. How many teddy bears do you have now? Let's do some more addition. You had 4 teddy bears. Then you added 3 more. Those are your new teddy bears. So, 4 teddy bears plus 3 teddy bears equals 7 teddy bears. You're a true addition champion. We're not done yet. Let's go outside to the garden. You see 5 pretty roses. Your neighbor comes by and gives you 2 more. How many roses do you have now? Let's count together again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 roses of yours, and you're after 2 roses from your neighbor. It's 6 and 7 roses. 5 roses plus 2 roses equals 7 roses. Your garden is blooming, just like your math skills. What a great journey we've had today. You all did a fantastic job. Remember, you can practice addition with anything around you. Toys, fruits, flowers, books, even your socks. Math is so much fun. We can't wait to see you next time for more exciting adventures with numbers. Until then, keep practicing and keep shining. Bye-bye from Mr. Kiko.